In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resend a Shopify shipping notification after missing it. Log in to your Shopify admin to get started. Once you're on the main admin dashboard, look to the left sidebar and click Orders. This opens the area where all store orders are listed, and from here you can access the specific fulfilled order connected to the shipping email you want to send again. In the Orders page, find the fulfilled order you want to work with. Then click the order number to open it. In this walkthrough, the order is called Order A. When the order details page opens, you'll be on the full order view. This page includes the fulfillment information, payment details, and the timeline section lower down on the page, which is where the original shipping notification activity is recorded. Scroll down until you reach the timeline section. The timeline shows the order's activity history, including communication that was previously sent. In that list, locate the shipping confirmation email entry. Once you find that email entry, click View Email. This opens a panel so you can access the exact shipping confirmation message that was originally sent for the order. In the panel that appears, look underneath the email content and click Resend Email. A dialog box will open next, asking where the email should be resent. In that dialog, select Customer so the shipping notification is sent to the customer again. Then click Resend to confirm. After that, Shopify sends the same shipping confirmation email again. The customer will receive the shipping update email with their tracking number and carrier details included, just like the original notification. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. That's the full process inside Shopify using the order timeline. You start in Orders, open the fulfilled order, scroll to the timeline, open the shipping confirmation email, choose Resend Email, select Customer, and confirm with Resend. Once that's done, the missed shipping notification is sent again through Shopify from the order record itself, using the existing shipping confirmation already attached to that fulfilled order. This keeps the resend tied directly to the correct order and uses the same shipping details already stored in the fulfillment history.